Hi, my name's Simon Burgess and I'm the Product Development Manager at HHB, and I'm here today to talk to you about the HHB FlashMic. This is the world's first digital recording microphone, and its focus is sheer simplicity of use, meaning the journalist can focus on content and not on the technology they're using to get the interview. It starts off with a high quality condenser microphone capsule at one end, mated to a broadcast quality flash recorder at the other. It switches on extremely quickly in just 5 seconds, thereabouts, and once it's booted up, it's ready to go. Just a press of the large red record button, and we're recording, and we're away. If you press that record button again, it actually will store a marker point which you can use to locate to interesting points of the interview in your editing software later on. If you press and hold the record button, it actually locks the keypad down so that you can't do any sort of interruption to the recording by mistake. Once you've finished recording, you press the stop button. This file is saved to the internal flash memory. The memory is actually built in, non-removable. That's deliberate, so you don't turn up to a job and find you left your memory behind. You can review the recording on the microphone itself. There's a play button, and you connect your headphones via the 3.5mm jack on the base. And actually, while you're reviewing, you can actually add marker points in that mode as well. Once you've got back to base, or once you've handed your microphone back in, it connects to your computer via a USB cable. It mounts just like any USB memory stick, so it's Mac or PC compatible, no special drivers required. And here you'll see the files. These are actually standard broadcast wire files, and they'll be either PCM uncompressed mono recordings or MP2, that's MPEG level 2 compressed. And you can either just select the files and drag and drop onto your hard disk using the normal operating system. The FlashMic also ships with our FlashMic Manager software. Now, this also has an interface with which to copy the audio off the microphone. This has the added advantage that, as well as just simply transferring the file, you can actually re-encode as an MP3 file whilst you transfer. But the real beauty of the FlashMic Manager is the ability to configure up to 9 user presets. Now, these presets store information such as the sample rate of the recording, 32, 44.1 or 48 kilohertz, and whether you apply the MPEG compression or not. Also enables you to define a pre-record buffer up to 10 seconds, the record level, which is either automatic or manually set. There's a high-pass filter, which is especially useful in any sort of outdoor environment for cutting out wind noise. Backlight settings, also the ability to define a file name for each user preset. Now this, in conjunction with the microphone name, which you can set within the FlashMic Manager. You can give every microphone its own unique name. That microphone name forms the first part of the file name itself, and the second part of the file name is taken from the preset file name field. So you know when your files are handed back, if you're controlling several microphones within your news center or your media center, you know what microphone the file came from and also what job or what preset the file was recorded under. The final part of the FlashMic Manager is this setting here, enable configuration changes in the DRM. If you set this to no, then all these parameters, sample rate, record level, that sort of thing, which are normally also editable or adjustable from the menu built into the FlashMic, those options are actually locked out from the FlashMic. So you can predefine things like sample rate and record level before the FlashMic is used, and those settings can't be changed. The FlashMic is actually available in 4 guises. We've got standard omnidirectional. This is also available with a cardioid capsule, and both of these are actually available with a line input option. And when with the line in, you get a interface cable which gives you an XLR to a Bantam TT jack. Now, this is especially useful for press conference applications where there'll be a distributed feed provided where you can't get close enough to the podium, for example, to get a good pickup. So there we have it, the HHB FlashMic. Whereas before, you'd perhaps been working with a recorder, cable, microphone, batteries for the recorder, perhaps batteries for the microphone as well. Now all you have is the HHB FlashMic. If you want any more information about the FlashMic, it's all available on our website, www.flashmic.com, or alternatively just give us a call here and we'll answer any question you may have.